Hi, this is Rubaiyat Khan, and welcome to Special Topic 1 of Object-Oriented Programming Series. And in this lecture, we are going to cover Python modules. So let's get started. So what are Python modules? Python module হচ্ছে simple .py files containing classes and methods. These py files are nothing but Python codes pre-written, and they perform many essential tasks. And by using these modules or by using these files, we do not have to rewrite many programs from scratch. So many programs that are essential programs that we use or we might need to use in our work are pre-written so that we do not have to write it by yourself. For example, finding out date and time. And if we need to use these Python modules, we must import them by using the keyword import. Then we can use all their classes and methods. So this is an example, or this is a code snippet where I am importing the datetime module from Python using the keyword import. So let's look at an example in detail. So first, so over here, I am importing datetime module using the keyword import. And in the second line, I'm printing the type of datetime. So I'm trying to find out what datetime is. So if I look at the output, it says class module. So therefore, we are sure that the datetime is a module. Now in the third line, what we see here is datetime.date. This means that date belongs to datetime. Now what is date? So if I print the type of datetime.date, what I get is class type. This means that date is nothing but a class. And how do I know this? Anything we see of class type is a class. This means in Python, when a class is created, it becomes an object of type. তো এই ক্লাস টাইপের ব্যাপারে এই লেকচারে খুব একটা বেশি আর বলবো না। টাইপের ব্যাপারে আমরা একটা ভিন্ন একটা লেকচার তৈরি করব। তো এই লেকচারে এতটুকু জানলে আমাদের জন্য যথেষ্ট যে আমি যদি কোনো এলিমেন্টের ক্লাস যদি আমি টাইপ দেখি, তাহলে that element is definitely a class. So date is a class. এখন আমি এখানে কি করলাম, datetime.date.today, তার মানে হচ্ছে আমি datetime মডিউলের date ক্লাস থেকে today নামে একটা method call করছি. So this method today belongs to the date class. So how do I know that this is a method? Because we're looking at the pair of parentheses at the end. Now this method returns me something. Okay. So I try to print this again, the type of today. So this is a variable, and I'm trying to print the type of this variable. And what I get is datetime.date. Okay, so it means that this particular method today returns me, an object of date class, which is inside the datetime module. So class datetime.date means this particular object, or this whatever inside the variable today, is an object that belongs to the date class, and this date class belongs to the datetime module. And now what I do here is I write today.year. So what is year? If today is an object, then definitely year is a variable, right? So this year is an instance variable belonging to the date object, and this instance variable returns something. And this return, what is it returns is an integer. So when I print the type of year, what I get is an integer. Okay. So if you understand objects and classes, you must understand how datetime and how datetime date is working, how this method is working, and how this how this and what this instance variable is and what it is returning. Thank you very much.